Hi! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today it's 2024 and it's our first unboxing of Adidas NMD. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik at buksan natin. Kadarating lang na ito, mainit-init pa. Ayan. So tingnan nyo muna. Pinadala siya ng Sports Central. So Sports Central baka naman. So ang courier niya is to go. Quick story. I've been eyeing this NMD R1 since maraming version ng NMD. Ayan, anak ko. Ayan, maraming version ng NMD. And ito yung pinaka talagang gusto ko. Medyo imposibleng mabili siya. I thought because mahal siya. But I had a surplus of an item. So I sold it and then nagdagdag lang ako. And then fortunately enough, si Sports Central had this sale 70%, so I only bought it for 4,800 plus 150 pesos of shipping. So not bad. So pinatos ko na kasi medyo leaning towards tayo to Adidas brand for a change. Anak! Ang gulo ng anak ko. Sorry. So, ayan. Buksan na natin. Mainit-init pa. Sports Central. Baka naman isa na kayo sa favorite shop ko dahil ang ganda ng packaging new. Packaging new. Packaging new. Ayan. Ayan. Medyo matagal. Mahirap. Saan wala akong makita yung baka lumabas yung asawa ko sa likod. Nakatapis lang, gusto ko nang buksan, hindi ko siya mahintay. Ayoko marinig niya yung mga sinasabi ko. Ayan. Yun. Ito yung anak ko. You wanna say hi? Kakagising lang. Say ka. Say hi. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hit like and subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Doon ka na mamaya. Mamaya naman tayo. Okay. Ito na. So, bam! Nasa loob siya ng classic box ng Three Stripes brand. Adidas. Ayan. Sumama. At ang laki ng box niya. Okay, so this is supposed, so my size is 10 US, but I made sure to select the 9.5 UK because that's the equivalent. Hopefully this is just 9.5.
945.
Yun, US 10 here. Laki ng box niya. Buksan na natin. Din. Woohoo! Ang ganda! Yeah! Woohoo! Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Check out Sports Central, baka sale pa sila. I think they're until November 15th. Tignan yung presyo. It's 8,000 pesos. So sana hindi nag-zoom in or lumalabo yung camera ko. Bango. Grabe. Napakaganda. I mean, I was tempted to buy another Jordan. But nope. Huwag mong pinutin, anak. But nope. I saw this. This is I won't miss this opportunity. So, yeah. Grabe. Ang ganda! Woo! May QR code doon. So, this was made with Parley, I'm not sure what material is that. Parley Ocean Plastic and Plastic Waste, the brand with the 3 stripes. So, ang plastic waste to, dapat medyo mura to, di ba? Charot. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung details. Hindi ko sure kung ano to. Normal ba to? Parang manilaw-nilaw yung dulo. based on my research, you are actually meant to wear this without socks. So ditch the socks. Kalaya, huwag mong bagsak yung ano mo. Ditch the socks. Yan, just wear it straight. Napakaganda guys. Ang laki niya. Ang laki ng box niya compared to typical Adidas shoes. Ang laki oh. Look. Compared to recently bought a Stan Smith made in Indonesia. Usually there. It's the code GY7366 NMDR1. So thank God maganda in good condition yung box niya. When you check the website for Sports Central, wala lang 9.5. So if you're US 10 and you're looking for this, sorry nauna na ako. But check their website, may mga sale pa doon pero hindi na ganitong colorway. Meron silang ibang sizes for this one. But yun nga, wala na yung itong colorway na to. Bango. Medyo wala siyang amoy. Unlike nung Stan Smith ko na ang bango. Pero this is actually worth 8 the price that I got it. So ayan. Wala yung Japanese characters dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong NMD yun.
Welcome to our channel.
Ayan. Rear, side, side. Ayan. Mukhang kukulik ko to. Tingnan natin. Pero, yeah.
What's in the box?
Yun. There's an Adidas.
What is
Yung parang leaf na logo here. I'm not sure if you can see it. And then the 3 stripes here. It feels really soft to touch. No, soft to touch. Maganda yung material niya. Talagang sulit. And ano pa ba? Yun. Yung insides niya medyo hindi siya talagang parang yung malambot siya, but you know that it's actually really durable. So ayun. Mukhang talagang part ng sapatos yung parang yellowish niya. Not sure. Let's check it out. But yep. That's it guys.
That's it, guys.
I'm gonna do a separate vlog with trying a different outfit for this one, but yes, sulit siya, sulit. Super soft. Hopefully mapang travel ko to pag lumabas kami out of the country this year. Hopefully manifesting. Ayan.
Wait.
Yun lang.
Please.
Bye guys.
Bye,
Thank you for
guys.
watching. Ikaw na magsabi. Magbabay ka na. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Mwah. Woohoo! Ang lupit. Ang lupit. Pakita ko ulit. Oh!